My daughter and I did Flintoclass together for a couple times, right? Yeah. And we loved it. It was so fun. Especially my daughter, are you going to kindergarten soon? Yeah, so she's going to kindergarten soon. And just with COVID, we decided not to do any preschool, just because we didn't want to put her in school. And so this Flinto gave us such a perfect opportunity to help her learn at home. And so everything was set up. It was all in baggies for separate days. There was a schedule online for us to use. And the learning was so helpful for her right before she goes to kindergarten. So we truly loved it. Did you learn a lot? Yeah, we learned about letters, and we learned about numbers and words and body parts, and we really enjoyed it, and think that Fllintoclass at Home is such an excellent resource for parents who are trying to make sure their children are ready for kindergarten.